of their products is Latam.
Oh, that's nice. At least hindi po wala yung nagbababa ng price para ano nila. At least ano pa rin sila.
Pumapantay sila.
Pumapantay sila. Kasi minsan ganun either mapapasama kayo dahil mataas yung price ninyo or
The danger kasi of lowering it is people might perceive it as a lower
yung
crime.
organic, ay yung hindi organic.
Either that or it's a lower grade
Okay.
or kaya nagpapanggap. Nagpapanggap na organic siya kaya mababa yung presyo niya. So, ayun. But, well, in the future, when there are a lot of organic players na, the prices will go down. And supply and demand prices will come into play. But right now, it's a supplier's market. So the suppliers dictate the prices. We have not saturated the local, we have not saturated the biggest market, which is Manila, and we don't even have any export at all. So, as far as vegetables, pero yung sugar, yung mga ganun, meron na, coconut,
Na
meron na
organic,
yun.
sir?
No,
Oh,
meron
nice.
na. Pero yung ating local vegetables, wala. And there's a very big demand for this product sa Manila, which we have not even touched at all. Very, very small percentage. That's